Hey guys, so in this video I will be explaining you how to write a Neovim plugin. So to write a Neovim plugin you will primarily use Lua, so Lua, which runs in process for high performance. Every Lua or Vim script file placed in a specific directory within your Neovim runtime path is automatically treated as a plugin. There is no formal registration step, so first thing what we need to do, uh, we will create logic, plugin logic. So create a model by defining a table traditionally named M to hold your functions. So as you can see this code right here, so we have local M, then we have some hello from the Neovim plugin. The setup function is typically called by the user to initialize the plugin. Then you have merge user uh, options with our default configuration, and then a custom function that our plugin provides. And for the end, returns the table so it can be required by other files. And then what we have here, we have here some another file which using globals Vim, then it prevents duplicated loading. So this is my NVM plugin. So here we'll require our main plugin model. So local my plugin request my NVM plugin, and it will create a custom command that user can invoke via my plugin hello. So now for Control plus I is for command and Control L for agent. So if I try, as you can see here, enter instruction, or we have what we had. Okay, Control L. All right, we can close that. Okay, so if I run this now, run file, you can see down here is in main chunk. And as you can see right here, we have now this plugin right in this app, in this directory where we said it will be created. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.